Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here with my February Secret Not Secret kit, except this is a complete secret because it is my mystery kit from Christina. I wanted her to surprise me. She knows me pretty well because we're good friends, like we talk all the time. And so I definitely felt safe in saying, please just send me something and I'm going to play with it. So to start with, everyone, when you get your kits, you get a card from her. They're different every month. The cards are always really fun to see what she comes up with. And in them, within the last 2 months, she started to include the coupon for a chance to win a mini kit or whatever have ya. And that is the fun little coupon that I got, and then she'll write a note to you, and that's your card. That's really fun. There's a lot, like I think last month was a pineapple, so sometimes she includes things you could almost even cut out and add into your kit. It's really fun. And here you go, you guys, my mystery kit. I haven't looked at it. My kids are home right now. It's really early in the morning. It's like 6 a.m. but I just can't wait any longer. I had to go all day yesterday going to work and then coming home and not touching this, so I'm like dying to dig in. And my allergies have just kind of slammed me and slapped me in the face, so I'm sorry if you can hear a bit of, you know, cold sounding. It's just my allergies. So alright, you guys, let's see what she got me. I'm so excited. I have had a hard time, like, I've been kind of guessing what I think maybe it is, but I have no idea what she sent me, so I'm very excited to see. Kate, okay. Oh, I see Dear Lizzie stuff. I see Dear Lizzie stuff. Let's see, you guys. I'm so very excited about this. This looks so very springy. Oh. Okay. Let's start with my mixed media. It is metallic paint. Magenta, so it's like a pink metallic paint. Ooh, that'll be fun to play with. You like pink? Yeah. Yeah. You like red, right?
And I like the playground.
And you like the playground. Jackson likes pink and the playground, just in case you were wondering. Okay, and
pink and red.
And red. That's great.
And I like pink and red and brown.
And brown, yes. Jackson's favorite colors, you guys, red and brown. So, oh, I got a full ephemera pack. Okay, Dear Lizzie, you guys are gonna laugh at me, but I know this wasn't the big popular thing at CHA. It's not called that anymore, Creativation, and there's a ton of other things that people are like, oh, it's just the awesomest. But I am a sucker for these weird things, and this cat mermaid is, like, to me, the cutest thing ever. So I'm very excited to play with it. And there's a mermaid, and there's some like springy, summery type feeling things that is going to work perfect with a series that I've got coming up in April. So stay tuned for that, because this is going to work perfectly. She gave me a few washi sheets, so there must be a washi book to this collection, or a collection. My assumption is it's Dear Lizzie. And she sent me some of the washi, which is awesome because I never finish washi books ever. So some of the banners and a few of these, that rainbow. Have you noticed how popular rainbows are right now in everything? So that's really cool. These awesome little glasses, and it looks like raindrops, and again are the rainbow, floral, a black, like just random spot, and then strawberries. So cute. My kids are playing. I'm so sorry if it's too loud. She also sent me the puffy stickers. And again, so the same repeating thing, right? The cat mermaid, the bicycles, the camera, the birds, umbrellas, a toucan, which I think is really cute, balloons, all sorts of really fun. And I love the size of these. These are such perfect size to just add things in little spots. I did receive an alpha, and it's my favorite color, and it's tiny and perfect. This is from Pink Fresh Studio. I love this alpha. It's beautiful. And I got a few pieces of the... That's okay, buddy. Thank you for telling me. And I got 4 pieces from the 6x6. So this really beautiful teal. It almost has a little floral pattern on it. A polka dot. This, I don't know about you, but when I see stuff like this, I always think birthday. I don't know. I love it though. I love these. And it's really good for like backing. And here's the mermaid, cat mermaid paper. I love it. I don't know. I love it. I think it's cute. And then a nice navy blue. I love this blue. It's so, yeah, right? It's so pretty. And there's little yellow and, oh, there's little plus signs on it. It's really pretty. Okay. Hey. Oh, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. And so one of the cut apart pieces. This looks like it was part of the, like the big paper pack. So that's, the paper gets a little bit thinner, but it's okay because how often, I was saying this in a video the other day, how often do you use a full 12 by 12? Because for me, it's like hardly ever. I'm saying maybe 2% of the time do I ever use a full 12 by 12. So to me, it doesn't matter that some of my pieces are thin. That's totally fine. And this one's really cool because it's part of the paper pack. They're starting to do this. There's some gold foiling in it, so it makes you buy the paper packs. But look at this mermaid, and I love it. And it says, ride a unicorn, swim with mermaids, chase rainbows. So those are both perfect for my Nora. There is a beautiful sun. Hip hip hooray with a camera. This is beautiful. That's the perfect little journaling block for sure. There's another one. And then some stripes of patterns that you can almost use as washi tape. And my daughter just found her bus that sings. Okay, I'm going to go on hold until it's nap time. I don't want it to be too annoying. Oh, she stopped. Maybe I can move on for a second. I try not to make these videos too distractive, and I find it distractive. I don't even know if you can hear it, but I find it distractive. Here is another piece from the paper pad, and it's flowers, and again there is some rose gold foiling. It's so pretty. I love that. That's going to be a fun piece to play with. A beautiful pink that has like pink on pink tone in floral. And then here is the actual 12 by 12. So the collection is called Stay Colorful, which is what I couldn't think of. So here is the clouds with the rainbow drops of raindrops. How cute is that? And then look at this rainbow paper. Isn't that just so fun and playful? I really love that. Here is a marbled one that's also really fun. And then a nice pop of yellow there. That's beautiful. And she got me the oh, okay, so this is from Amy Tan, and it is, so the specialty, it's like a transparency, and I don't think you can see it on my thing, but it's like confetti, you guys. That's so much fun. Oh, I love that so much. That's gonna be a lot of fun to play with. Some butterflies, so I'm thinking some fussy cutting is going to happen there with some pink. Here's another piece from the paper pad with rose. It's rose gold too, and it just says, it's that phrase that says swim with the mermaids, chase unicorns, all of that. And a yellow. I have never seen anything quite like this, and I really love it. That is so fun. Okay, and then finally for paper, I have this really fun one. Again, I see myself fussy cutting. And then there is like sprinkles on a cupcake. That's just exactly all I can think of to tell you what it looks like. So let's go ahead and take benefit of the fact that I have a white side to share. My goodies. Let's see, what is it? Oh, I got more trim. I am starting to be obsessed with the little bits of trim she sends. It's always enough for like, see, I can do 1 full page, 2. So she basically sends you 24 inches worth of trim, which could spread across 2 full layouts, which is perfect because it gives you just enough to play with, but it's not so much that you're like, oh, I'm gonna have trim stuck forever. I love this. And ooh, a rainbow flare, and then look at these fun wood veneer painted. Oh, those are so fun. I love it. 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 Okay, so that's in this, and then this pig matches everything, of course, because that's how Christina rolls. All right, you guys, I have 2 more things to share, and then it's Jackson. Give me 1 second, buddy. She sent me this really fun ruffled trim. Oh, I love this. I don't know how I'm going to use it, but I love it. And 2 bows that are clear and have little like spots of sprinkle. Oh, that's so much fun. Those are really cool. And 2 colors of thread because I love to stitch. So again, I apologize about the noise, you guys. Friday mornings, I had to share, I had to look at this. I was so beyond excited. Christina, I love it. Thank you so much. I love it. I can't tell you any more than that. I absolutely love my kit. I'm so excited to get creating with it, and I will see everyone really soon. Bye.